What's it like working with us at Through the Noise? Hi, I'm Ernesto from Get Through the Noise. I help professionals fix how they sound and look on video when trust matters more than referrals. Let me walk you through this in the next 3 minutes of what it's like to be in our world and give you a little bit of an orientation of how you might fit in this space that we're in. Something you should know about Through the Noise right off the bat. I'm interested in making what we call a full production show. It means it's a monthly, weekly, year long process of developing an audience, growing an audience attached to business outcomes or personal passion outcomes. But we're putting together that concept for you and going to market and getting those views together. It's very different from your typical production team who might just get, help you record and then maybe edit stuff and even maybe publish. But then usually those production teams kind of just at that point, it's on you as to how you market it or the strategy even behind it. So we're known for the whole thing. We call it the 5 C's process, and it derives certain types of outcomes that we actually, when you contract with us, we put them as part of our performance work. I know that I can't do that for everybody. And so with our business, we have 8 shows per year, 2 per quarter, that I focus my entire team on making sure we're launching off with the best foot forward. Now, those are our big ticket items. There's a lot that has to be discussed and prepared and understood so that you, on your journey into podcasting, you kind of have to be ready for that. Obviously, that's not for everyone. And so the best way to find out if that's for you or where you are in your journey is just go to our register your interest form, fill that out, and then we'll schedule a conversation. And I'll be able to give you a sense of like how close you are for something like this, or what are some steps you can do to get there, or things you need to prepare along the way. Like the most important thing for me is I think this is an incredible art form, an incredible way to grow a business, an incredible way to grow your own creative endeavors. But we really got to be honest and upfront about our expectations and what's it like doing this. And so I need to understand your story, what you're trying to achieve. Now, if we come across the fact that you're not ready for the full production stuff, that's okay. I have other services that'll get you there. We have a whole educational service rolling out that's about jumpstarting you into content creation. It's like, okay, we're going to not do the podcast just yet, but maybe we can get you more and more comfortable creating content that you can put up on your own. All of our work, all of our services is a done with you process. There is someone for my team. I have a whole team of people that's going to walk you through every step of the way. This is not just pitching over some YouTube video series that you got to watch. This is not like a checklist you got to like fill out yourself. No. It's curated, bespoke work. It's intense work for us, but it's work that we love to do. And so if you're on this journey, you want to see where you stack up, click that button. I'll drop the link down there. Register your interest. I'd love to talk to you and get you going in your journey into this.